Hello friends, welcome to the complete machine learning engineering masterclass. So last video I started from writing code, but later I found out like I should start showing how you can set up your workspace. So before we write a single line of code, we need to build our workspace. If we go to the python.org, so here you can download Python and you can install Python in your system. Other than if we use Python, there will be lots of issue while we create machine learning projects. So there you can find have issue like dependency, health, and any other issues. So for that, we can use Anaconda. So here you can download the Anaconda. So I will show you. Here, add the link in the description, and you can click on the download here. It is for registration. So you can skip registration here. You can download for Windows 64-bit and Miniconda, and you can download Mac for Linux. So if you are using Anaconda, so you don't have to download Python separately or install Python. And other than that, you can simply install Anaconda. So I already installed, so I will show you how you can use that. So other than that, we can use VS Code also. So you can download VS Code. If you are using VS Code, then you need to download the Python also. So all these links I will add in the description. So other than that, you can use online ID, not ID, notebook you can say. So this is Colab, Google Colab. So you can add here, you can run any Python code here. If you run any cell, it will work. So you can use this also, Google Colab. Similarly, we have Kaggle also. There also you can create project like notebook, or you can use that. And we can have PyCharm also for Python. You can install that also. You can use this also. So let's go to the Anaconda. So you just have to double click and install. So it's easy to install. You just have to download the setup. It's like around 500 or 600 MB. You can download that. So I already installed. So I have Anaconda Navigator. If I search here, and I have Anaconda prompt. So you can click. So you will open this Anaconda. Before that, I will start showing the Anaconda prompt. So you can open this one. In Anaconda, we can create virtual environment. So for each project you create, you can use separate environment. So it is easy and it will not create problem for dependency configuration. So you can say I already have uh, environment, base environment. So I can change this also, or I can create new. So I can create using Conda. Create test. So it was showing like where it is creating this environment. And click yes and enter. Here you can see it's created. Now it is showing command can conda activate test 2. We have to use that. Conda activate test 2. It's activated test. So we can go to conda activate base. You can check it is switch to the base environment. And from here only you can open Jupyter notebook. So by default it will open your notebook when you run this command. And if it is not open, you can find the URL here. You can see this. You can open this one and it will start. So here you can open this one and you can create new file 3. So here you can type, so here you can use code and mark down cells. That's why you run here, so +5 and run this cell, it will save. So like this you can use Anaconda in your local system, and VS Code also you can use similar, you can use notebook in VS Code also. And here this is also simple, you need to go to the Colab research.google.com. Here it will ask you to log in using your Gmail account. After that you can use this. So here you can see the RAM, GPU and disk. So by default, if you open, you will see only RAM and disk. For if you want to use GPU, then you have to click on the runtime and change runtime type. So here you can select GPU. You can select this one also, other are disabled. So these are the library where ID we can use, online ID and local ID. Other than that, we have Spyder also. Now I will open Anaconda Navigator. So this will take some time. So here all okay. So this is like my local notebook. So here I can use and video and run. So this will show your GPU information, like which GPU you are having. Yeah, so this is open. So you can see here, from here you can change your virtual environment. You can select any environment. So I have selected base. Other than that, you can install other library from here itself also. Like VS Code you can install from your notebook. Spyder also you can use for this one. So it's depend on which ID you are using for learning, and industry mostly we use VS Code only for this one, and notebook you can use here, and it is easy to explain and use. Same we can use notebook in VS Code also. So here, from here also I will show you how you can create new environment. So here you have to go the environments, here create, so this you can see I created, you can see here, you can see the test2 that we are created from the terminal. So I selected Python and 3.1.2 version and create. And from here you can search the dependency installed in the environment. So you can uninstall those, or if you want to install new, you can search package from here and you can install. So I will show you how you can install NumPy and Pandas from here. Yeah, so this is installed. So if I go here and search NumPy, so it is searching from installed versions, where you need to check. You can select not installed and all. Here I selected NumPy. So I search here. You can find pandas. Here you can click on the apply button. It is installing packages, so it will install. You can see the virtual environment location also here inside users, username and Anaconda 3 and test. This is a environment name. So it is installed. So you can go here in the home page and you can see here. So it is showing launch cloud notebook, launch VS Code. Sorry, test 3. And if you go down here, you can see notebook. So you click on the install. And here you can find the Spyder also. And VS Code by default is showing launch. So if I click on this one, so it will launch the VS Code for that environment. From here you can select folder in which folder you want to save your code, and you can clone repository also. And this VS Code have extensions for this one, so you can use lots of extensions that will help you. So in the some videos from starting, we will use notebook for teach you the and explain the topics. Later, if the basics are done and if we build the project, then we use the VS Code. So I already it is installed the notebook. So if I click on launch, so it will open that also. So you can notice here, this one is running on local host 8888, and this one is running 8889. So this you can see why this is running. It will first try the port, and if all the port are used by some other service, then it will move to the next port. So these two are running in different environment. This one is running for test 2, I think, and this, sorry, base, I think base we are started, and this one is running for test 3. So these are the setups you can use for local environment, local system and online. If you don't have any system where you can run, you can just open simply Google Colab and log in using that, and you can use. So you can see here it is showing 12 GB RAM and 15 GB GPU and disk size. So for a small projects, you can use this one. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. For next video, we will start the basics of Python. Thank you.